welcome back to 25 Sweetpeas. Today we are taking a break from the sketches and doing a very situational nail art inspired by the Together at Home movement, which has been put together by Global Citizen in collaboration with the World Health Organization. This weekend they are hosting a big live streamed concert that will be on basically every streaming platform as well as on main channels on TV like NBC, ABC, CBS, and all of that, all on Saturday, and it's going to be really cool. There are tons of artists participating in it, so you'll be able to watch it basically from 2 p.m. throughout the rest of the day. Just live music, different artists, and any proceeds from it will be going to help the Global Citizen and World Health Organization during this pandemic time, which I think is really cool, which is why I wanted to do a manicure in support of it and to let you guys know about it in case you didn't know. Also, they have been using their stories and getting artists involved on Instagram by doing lots of live stream concerts, and I personally have been really enjoying them and finding them as a great thing to watch if you're just around the house and want to take a break from working. They're great to turn on. Some of my favorites have been a part of it, and it's been really fun. So today's manicure is inspired by the logo, and I've kept with the same color scheme that we've been playing with, but I will say that this design was super hard to do. I'm still looking at it now. I don't necessarily think it came out all that great, but the idea was there. It was still kind of fun, and it's for a good cause and to bring awareness to them, and it was just kind of fun. So I used a pink that you guys have been seeing me use all the time for the base. This is Bubblegum by Heroine NYC. And then the acrylic paint is just regular acrylic paint, and I'm using the Orly Short Detailer brush. For the details, I used a dotting tool for the blue dot, and that was about it. Like I said, it didn't come out perfectly, but it's okay. Also, I did a fun little Procreate version for a graphic to share on Instagram for when I post this manicure, so be sure to head over there this weekend to check it out. This is going up, I believe, on Friday, so it's the day before the concert, but it'll probably be on Instagram over the weekend the same time as the concert. So, hopefully that all gets up on the right timeline. But yeah, if you guys want to do a manicure this weekend in honor of it as well and help just spread awareness about it, that would be great. You could use the hashtag Together at Home, which has been a hashtag they have been using for quite a while on the Global Citizen account. So it'll be kind of cool to see maybe some nails pop up in that tag as well. But here is my little version of the hands, which are actually meant to look like a house, which I didn't realize until today. But that was it. I used a matte top coat. It was kind of fun, even though it wasn't the best turnout. But like I said, it's all for good and fun, so thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this little pause in the series to do a fun manicure with a cause. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys back here for another new video very, very soon. Bye!